Two morning cold starts. It's frost today. First is John Deere. Quick and easy. Not as good as the Kubota. It's very loud. Alright, start this, shut it off. And that was a cold start, I'd like to still grab it. It's a little warm now. See it in my hand, see it's wet. Probably can't see it, it's a little frost on there. Grab it, it's cold as hell. It's wet. See frost. Wore off a little bit. Get them off. Wrong way. That way. Excuse me. Let me just get in real quick. Oh, shit. Let's pour for the southern board today. Alright. I don't like that. There's the heat on. Turn the heat all the way on. So it's on the way. Turn to frost, which is on. I think they're sticking. No! No! Ain't. That's crazy. Quick and easy. Better than the John Deere, if you ask me. The wrong one. Try the front one. Yeah, a little bit of frost, not too bad. Oh, there we are. Starting to do good. I didn't think it grips too well. That and this frost on there. Purge it out. Heat on, frost on. Let them come out of the vents. They come out of these vents. I'll come out of that. Swirl that around. A little bit more. See if it works in the mornings also. Part of the cold start video. What the hell? It's in 4-wheel drive. And that's it. So that's it for a little cold start video today. I might do my truck later, but not right now. What the hell. Might as well try and start it. Once they started traveling. Oh, let me get out of here first. Oh, damn. Sure, come off, because the keys in there. Alright. Sounds better than John Deere to me. Love it. Better of a sound. Probably has a different engine, like more. Put another cylinder or two in it. Get this cold start of the shop. If I get over there for 10 minutes, it's out. Get the fuck out of my way. Move! I shot all the mud off my truck last night. I just shot it off, didn't wash it, just shot it off. Getting 3 cold starts. For the price of one today, which is actually free anyway. Might free auto pay for my videos, but shit, that ain't gonna happen. Alright, it is cold. As you can see, I'm unlocking the door first thing in the morning. Frost. Frost cold. Quick start up. Light ladder set. Across the windshield. Clutch in. Ignition. Neutral. 1, 2, 3. Gas kind of likes to stick in the mornings. A little rev. Just make sure it's gonna stay started. Once you get a little bit of air of what it sounds like when it's cold as shit. I hope y'all can hear that. You know it's cold. I'm fucking seeing that. See my breath, I don't like that. It's fucking cold first time on board today. Jeez. Hands are fucking frozen from cold. Look at that car run. It's 5:44. Chill if you're better. Shit. I gotta hurt you. Come here. Or just don't run your ass in there. Asshole. Smoking out now. Fucking warm it up. 282. In my pocket. Don't know where I came from. Thought we were revving up some more. It is cold, that's much for now. Didn't have a run yet, just got to the farm today. Right when I get here, we're starting the Kubota and the John Deere. That's John Deere over there. That's the first one that started this cold. I think I have a glass on. Might help turn the motors. It's running good. Maybe I had to pump it or anything. Hands fucking cold, both of them. Had to go into the heat inside the house. Well, not the house, just the video.